Hey guys, what is up? dodatech here, and today I'm going to be bringing you my $3,200 gaming PC. Now, this is a high-end gaming PC that uses the new Haswell processor, along with a new NVIDIA graphics card. So, yeah, let's get started. For our processor, we're going to be using the Intel Core i7-4770K. Now this is a 4th gen CPU that's running on the LGA 1150 socket. It's 84 watt total TDP. It's running stock at 3.5 gigahertz, but with this build you're probably looking at around 4 gigahertz since it's a K-series processor and it's got an unlocked multiplier. And this is only going to cost about $350. To cool our processor, we're going to be using the Corsair H80 liquid cooler. This is a 120mm liquid cooler that has a fan controller implemented on the CPU block, and it comes with one fan. This is only going to cost about $105. For a motherboard, we're going with an Asus Sabertooth Z87. Now, this has the LGA 1150 socket, also has 6 SATA 3 ports, 6 USB 3 ports, and Wi-Fi. And yeah, this is a great motherboard, and it's only going to cost about 260 bucks. For memory, we're going with Corsair Vengeance Pro, and we're going with 8 gigabytes, and that's two 4 gigabyte sticks, of DDR3 1600 megahertz memory. Now, 1600 megahertz is kind of the sweet spot because it's not too expensive and it's really fast. And for this memory, it's only going to cost us about $145. For an SSD, we're going with the Corsair Force GS. Now, this is a 2.5-inch solid-state drive that is 240 gigabytes in capacity, and it's SATA 3, so you're going to get a really fast SSD for only $220. For our hard drive, we're going with the Western Digital Black. Now, this is a 1 terabyte hard drive at 7200 RPM with 64 megs of cache, and it's on the SATA 3 interface again. So, really fast hard drive, not as fast as an SSD, but still really fast. And it's only going to cost us $95. For our graphics card, we're going to be using an NVIDIA GTX 780. Now, this has 3 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory, and it's got 2 DVI ports, HDMI port, and a display port. Okay. And it's got the PCI Express 3.0 interface. And it's only going to cost us about $650. For a sound card, we're going with the Asus Zonar STX 7.1. This has virtual 7.1 channels, 24-bit 192 kilohertz audio, and it's the PCI Express X1 interface. And this is only going to cost us about 190 bucks. For our power supply, we're going with the Corsair HX850. This is 850 watts of 80 plus gold certified power, and it's on a semi-modular power supply. This means that all your peripheral connectors such as SATA and Molex and PCI Express aren't connected to your power supply, but you have your 24 pin, your 8 pin, and your one PCI Express power connector already connected, and this is only going to cost us about 190 bucks. For a case, we're going with the Corsair Obsidian 650D. This has USB 3.0, it's got toolless side panels, 200mm fans, and it's an ATX full tower case. Now this case is huge, I've done a build in it before, and I love this case. It's really easy to build in, and yeah, it's only going to cost you about 200 bucks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out some of my other builds, links on screen now. Anyway, I'll see you next time.